Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. So last time we finished up Volkovar Canyon on the planet Barlow, and now we must go to the Thug Rendezvous in the Felton system to possibly intercept a transmission from the Thugs for Less group. This actually happens to be one of the greatest places in the game to farm raritanium, but we do not yet have the weapons to do so. Also, notice how it said there is one platinum bolt available here. That's a bolt I'm going to be worrying about later.
We are under attack. Can't outrun them. Let's hope these weapons work.
Can turn that down a bit. Gotta take out these enemy. Ow. I think this is like the first challenge that actually is like very effective. With the farming. I think we actually need to use raritanium to buy stuff, like special weapons. But we do not yet know the place where we can buy those weapons. But we will soon enough. And I'm being massacred. That's the thing I really don't like about these kinds of missions is it's dangerously easy to get hit, but at least it does refill your shield if you destroy certain things. It's just very dangerous to like fight these guys. I guess maybe that's why they make them fly in front of you sometimes so that you can actually hit them. But it's just overall risky. Maybe that's me like baiting them into appearing or something. I don't know. But it can get dangerous if they're able to get behind you and like actually shoot at you. Oh, that's so weird. There's like a asteroid back there that like disappeared. Stop firing at me. There's one more enemy ship, and I know where you are. Gotcha. Now for wave 2. Things are about to get kind of dangerous. Alright, that's where you all are. I think. Nope, you're all over here. Now, I don't know if... I'm pretty sure if I... Okay, I see how this is gonna go. Okay. I see how it's gonna go. Oh, sweet. Okay, if I lock onto an enemy long enough, then it will actually, like, fire a missile at them. So that's really nice. I guess this is one... Okay. I'm gonna have to concentrate here. Because these ships do not like me.
got mad skills. Mad yeah. A difficult challenge, but one that a trained commando...
Hold on. I'm intercepting a transmission.
For the 5th time, I have a collect call to Thugs for Less from a Mr. You Are Gonna Die. Will you accept the charges?
You are gonna die.
I'll take that as a yes. Thank you.
You idiot.
Uh-oh.
I'm paying top dollar for your protection, and your moron employees are off at some picnic.
Hey, that was a bonding exercise.
Enough! I'm at the pickup point now. If your men aren't here pronto, you can kiss this contract goodbye.
Oh yeah? Well, you can kiss your, you know what I mean. Dang it.
Did you trace that?
Coordinates locked in. We are headed there now.
Let's go to the galactic map. We'll worry about those challenges later. Canal City. Now, you might have noticed, that little...
So, how's the reception out here?
We have sports, weather, ooh, the Science Channel.
Keep going. Whoa, what's that?
The man, the myth, the legend, the loser. Captain Quark, once the idol of everyone in the galaxy, has finally hit rock bottom. After his humiliation at the hands of Ratchet and Clank, Quark sold bogus merchandise he claimed were Gadgetron products. But a key defect in this product, the personal hygienator, caused severe irritation in sensitive body areas and alerted authorities to Quark's scam. Behind the Hero will return after these messages.
Well, that explains a lot.
Yes, I suppose it...
All this time, my personal hygienator must have been causing that itch.
Anyway, we should be at our destination shortly.
So, you might have noticed the menu, where I chose my weapons of missiles.
Too late again.
We always seem to be a bit late. Why is that?
Well, let's check this place out and find out where he's headed.
I feel like they were looking at me. But, what was I saying? Oh, the ship menu. When I chose my missiles, you can choose between 4 different weapons. Or, I don't know if it's 1 weapon or 4 weapons. But, yeah. Ooh, we got a lot going on here. Actually, what's over this way? No, no, don't purchase that. I feel like that binary is translating to something. Nice job. Ow! I think there's a skill point for tipping all these rocket things. Oh, that kills me. I did not know that. I probably should have known that. Let's see what the hint says. What planet are we on? Notak. Or Nodik, whatever you want to call it. Planet Buster. That's the only one. I should probably refill on ammo. I imagine the skill point has to do with all the wind chimes, if that's what you want to call them. Also,
to zoom in with the pulse rifle, hold L1 and then press R1. To zoom out, hold L1 and press R2.
now, it has only 8 ammo for a good reason. Dynamo. Oh, I'm so evil. I see you over there, my little friend. And just for good measure, kaboom. That was beautiful. Well, hi there. How would you like to be personal test subjects of my blitz gun? I honestly forget what could possibly lie in wait for, I forget what could possibly lie in wait by going through this area over here. But, really, there's only one way to find out. Also, items... Oh. Oh yeah, these crystals and moonstones, these are another, the crystals and moonstones are going to be for more challenges in the game, but we'll get to those later. So we only have one platinum bolt. Okay. Oh, this thing repairs machinery. Okay. I feel like I can get stronger armor than the Commando suit. I know there's armor you can upgrade in Up Your Arsenal, but I don't know if it's in here. We'll find out though. This I gotta say. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Oh god. Oh. I'm good. Yeah, for having such great firepower, this thing has very little ammunition. Oh god. You really gonna fire it from here? Wow, you suck. Oh, okay, you suck less. Oh, I do get pulse rifle ammo. God, those wind chimes make such weird noises. Oh god. Eeh. Nope. Not doing it. Aha! I think there's something right back here. I don't know what that says. But I think there's a platinum bolt over here. I saw those little sparkles. Oh my god, it would have been hilarious if he had died from getting crushed by that thing. I only got 1 out of 8 pulse rifle ammo. Nice. Well, not that I'm complaining, because, you know, 1 is better than 0. Ow! You're kind of a dickbag. Fuck. Damn it. Well, I needed to refill on ammo anyway. Hey, can I buy anything else here? Nope. Whatever. Don't mess with me. You'll regret it. Really? How stupid do you think I am? How stupid do you think I am? Other than to do that. But hey, my pulse rifle's already halfway there. Got another. Do you just fire on instinct? Cool. Albeit very slowly. For sure, I am very slowly leveling this thing up. I think these guys always fire at me when I hit them. But hey, joke's on them. Every time they kill me, it just gives me another opportunity to get back at them. Bam. Can you not? Thank you. I was gonna say, can you not? I'm literally on my last unit of health. I don't want to have to redo this again. Look at how pretty.
You have found a nanotech boost. Nanotech boosts instantly increase your maximum nanotech capacity.
Hell yeah! There's quite a few of those in the game. I think there's like 5 or something, or 4? I don't remember how many there are, but I think there's like 4 or 5. I remember where some of them are. Yeah, I definitely remember where some of them are. Not all of them, though. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here. Thank you all for watching this episode of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Next time, we're gonna continue through, this place, Canal City, and we are gonna see just what lies beyond around here. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.